Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Emerald Eco Beauty. Today, I would like to show you some of the things that I use for cleaning. They are the most important part that you have to do before you start working on creating your creams and your butters and your scrubs. What I have here is I always have on hand is vinegar. I use it for a lot. I mix vinegar and baking soda to make sure my sinks never have a smell. So you pour baking soda down the drain, pour vinegar, that's all you have to do, and you won't have a smelly sink. Next, I have soap and water. Important to have always at hand lots of nice bubbly soap just to make sure you kill whatever's on your counters. Wipe everything down and make sure that everything that you use have been disinfected. So right here we have vinegar. I'll show you a little thing just to show you what happens in your sink when you put the vinegar and your baking soda. So those two react, and that reaction goes into your sink, bubbles the sink, grabs everything that's in there and makes it smell nice. Now I have the stars of my show. These are nanotechnology cleaning cloths. I know they sound fancy. They are the latest technology on cleaning cloths. What I love about them, and I've been using them for years. I know I say the latest technology because they are, but I've been using them for years. They will not develop smell. Oh my goodness. If you leave them in your sink at night, you don't wake up to that stinky smell. That is so horrible. You don't have to use soap, or you don't have to use any chemical agent to clean. I do use soap and water because I gotta make sure that my products are always safe. But if you're just cleaning around your house, these are amazing. Nanotechnology. What I do in my house is I have a color-coded system, and it works perfect. So just a color-coded system. I have blues for the bathrooms, green for the furniture, and then yellow for all my kitchen. You don't have to polish. If you have a glass table, these are amazing. You're gonna be able to find them on my website as soon as it comes up live. Make sure when you are using your equipment, like I'm going to do right now, that you have nice soapy water and that you get into everywhere. Like right here, see, right here, you gotta get into all the crevices. Make sure there's nothing around there that is going to prevent it from being nice and clean.